at the Pathfinder tool in Illustrator, which is a really super handy bit of gear. So let's just get it open. So we can come down here under Window and you'll find it here, Pathfinder, and it brings up this little menu. It's actually got quite a few options, but let's just have a look at kind of what are probably the most useful ones. So I'll move this over here so we can see it a little bit better. So if we've got two objects here, and we've got one, we can see this magenta circle over the top of the lime green. The first one here, we've got a unite, which joins them together. So that's cool. You can build up complex objects from simple shapes. We've got this second one here, which is kind of pretty handy, which is minus front. You use that a lot too. And the front object chops away a hole in the back object. So that's a good one to use. Another one that is pretty cool is the divide. So sometimes you want to break something up into its into different parts. So we'll use the divide here. And when we have a look at the divide now, so I'm just ungrouping these so I get access to them. I can see now that this has actually been divided into its parts where they all cross over. And then we have we've got trim as well, which is pretty good. So bits where they cross over, it trims them away. Again, I'll just ungroup. So I use Shift Command G to ungroup, but you can always go to Object, Group and Ungroup up here as well. And the key commands are written beside it. And the trim is pretty good. So when we pull these away now, we've got this type of situation that just trims away where the two overlap. So we're left with kind of like the complete objects, but yeah, that can be really handy as well if you're working on artwork. So that is the Pathfinder tool. It's a good one.